Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom on the piano. First, locate sheet music or online tutorials for your favorite themes from the game. Many resources offer arrangements for various skill levels. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the melody, perhaps humming it first. Focus on understanding the rhythm and key signature before touching the keys. This foundational step is crucial for a smooth learning process. Once you have your chosen piece, concentrate on the right-hand melody. Play it slowly, ensuring each note is correct and the rhythm is steady. Next, identify the chords for the left hand. These often provide the harmonic foundation. Practice each hand independently until you feel comfortable. Then, gradually combine both hands, starting at a very slow tempo. This method builds muscle memory and coordination effectively. To truly bring the music to life, focus on expression. Dynamics, such as playing softly or loudly, add emotional depth to the piece. Experiment with the sustain pedal to create a richer, more resonant sound, but use it judiciously to avoid muddiness. Pay attention to phrasing, shaping the musical lines so they breathe and flow naturally. These elements transform a simple rendition into a captivating performance. Consistent practice is key to mastering any piece. Aim for regular, shorter sessions, perhaps 15 to 20 minutes each day, rather than infrequent long ones. Recording yourself can be incredibly helpful. Listening back allows you to objectively identify areas needing improvement. Remember to check the description for links to helpful resources and other great deals. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be playing your favorite Zelda tunes with confidence and flair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.